everyone, welcome with us to stay in Marina Bay Sands, and this is our dual view. So this is the Gardens by the Bay view where we get to see the garden, and then that's Marina Barrage. We are on 53rd story and you get to see the scenic view along with the expressway. Now we are on 53rd story, and if we look up we'll get to see the extension of the boat. Today is a little cloudy. This is about 2:30 in the afternoon, and this track is actually a F1 track, and this one is the arena, the sports stadium. So that's about the view. You can see an aeroplane which I've started now. Yeah. Okay, so coming to the room. So this is the sitting in the living with the television. Then that's our dining area. The coffee. Yeah. Okay, so that's okay. Then we have dumped our stuff as usual, and then let's go to that's another room, shower room. Okay, so let's go to our living room, bedroom now. So that's our bedroom. So coming from the desk to the sitting sofa till our bed. Okay, so that's a view for us. So this one is new Apple store. That's the Science Museum. Is BMT. That's the Esplanade.